Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the C-Map, boating, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. C-Map is a marine navigation app designed for boaters, sailors, and anglers, offering detailed nautical charts, route planning, weather overlays, and tide information. The app also supports offline chart access, GPS tracking, and community-shared points of interest, making it a versatile companion for safe and enjoyable trips on the water. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate C-Map for its clear charts, intuitive interface, and useful features like weather layers and tide data. Offline access is especially praised, as it helps in areas with poor network coverage. Community contributions, such as recommended anchorages or marinas, add extra value for trip planning. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional GPS accuracy issues or slow loading times. Advanced features, such as premium weather layers or expanded chart coverage, require a subscription, which might not suit everyone's budget. In certain regions, chart detail may also be limited compared to competing apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the C-Map app may be worth using if you're a boater looking for a reliable marine GPS tool with offline charts, route planning, and weather data. It shines in convenience and user-friendly design, but if you're not ready to pay for premium features or need ultra-detailed charts, you may want to compare it with other navigation apps first. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.